Madame la Présidente, merci
Madam
pour
Chair, thank you for the invitation to appear before your committee. It's a pleasure for me to be here for the first time as President of the Canadian Institutes of Health Research. Research excellence is an issue close to my heart and fundamental to CIHR's work. 9 months ago, I accepted to become the president of CIHR because I believe profoundly in its mission, which is the improvement of health, well-being, and prosperity of Canadians through research excellence. As a clinician researcher for 33 years, I have seen firsthand how research can transform lives and health systems.
For my lifetime. This is quite personal to me. I lost my first wife to breast cancer. During her battle, turns out, a new class of anti-estrogen medications called aromatase inhibitors became available just when she needed them. Thanks in part to Canadian excellent research, these treatments gave her more time and gave our 10-year-old daughter at the time 8 more years with her mother. We now are at a critical moment in human history where scientific discoveries will transform our daily lives. 25 years ago, when CIHR was created, Canadian scientists joined the Human Genome Project. It took thousands of scientists and billions of dollars to map just one genome. Today, not only can we map a whole genome over a weekend with less than $100, we can now edit that genome and remove disease-causing sequences using gene editing technologies called CRISPR-Cas9, to potentially cure diseases, including things like sickle cell disease and cystic fibrosis. This means we now have the power to transform life. Imagine now if we couple this foundational transformation in human biology with artificial intelligence. In health and in life science, this powerful combination will accelerate discovery at unfathomable rates. These potential forces will generate new foundational and fundamental insights and affect health and healthcare, as well as all aspects of our social fabric. This convergence will require all of society, including our best scientists, to be at the forefront of this new revolution. The question is whether we are ready to act boldly and together. Are we willing and ready to overcome the barriers and unlock the power of our health data, from our genome to health records to serve the public good? Are we ready as a country to invest in being bold leaders? Because Canada has some of the best scientists in the world, whether they're from my 2 other agencies or our own, and we fund. But because Canada has some of our best scientists, we can now begin. Because Canada has some of the world's best scientists, I believe we can move ahead and remain global leaders. However, we are sadly falling behind. As the global research landscape explodes, there's a clear imperative to strengthen Canada's science, to grow, and this is to grow our economy as well as protect our sovereignty and our security. My vision of research excellence is captured in 3 words: collaboration for impact. For me, it means fostering partnerships, building problem-focused networks, consortia across sectors and jurisdictions that integrate diverse disciplines and perspectives to tackle major social problems, societal problems, affecting all of us, including the most vulnerable. This also means that equity must be a foundational principle. Without enabling all Canadians to benefit from our many discoveries, we risk tearing at Canada's social fabric, as well as worsen health and economic outcomes. Research excellence alone will not suffice. CIHR has the bold ambition and the funding approaches to continue supporting research excellence. We have a discovery fund which supports the best and most original of our science, and mission-driven funds, many mission-driven funds, which target priority areas like primary care and mental health, brain health, pandemics, and the opioid crisis. Les 2 approches reposent sur une évaluation rigoureuse, comme vous avez entendu de mes collègues, par des comités de pairs.
Both approaches rely on rigorous peer review in accordance with international standards. As you've heard my colleagues say, this is how we produce impactful research that continues to change lives. At this pivotal moment, we must not only provide all necessary resources to our top scientists, but also improve the commercialization of discoveries made right here in Canada. Otherwise, we risk enriching other countries instead of our own, as was the case with mRNA vaccines and Ozempic. In summary, through our unwavering commitment to excellence, CIHR aims to maximize the impact of research on the health, well-being, and economic prosperity of Canadians from coast to coast to coast. Thank you